Hey, so if you want to create cool AI effects for your videos or content without paying anything, you can actually do it using the free tools in Dola AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to generate them step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign in to your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the Effects Generator, Media Tools, or AI Editor section. That's where you'll create your effects. Now, choose what type of effect you want. This could be visual effects, transitions, filters, or even animated elements. Next, upload your image or video, or pick something from the built-in library. Then apply the AI effect. You can experiment with different styles until you find something that fits your content. Now you can tweak the intensity, timing, or style of the effect to make it look just right. Once everything looks good, preview your result, then export or download your file. So yeah, that's how you can generate free AI effects using Dola AI. It's a simple way to make your content look more dynamic. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI guides like this. Thanks for watching. Hey,